people are facing.
UMP ke Tura usaleng sangma hinin ke sengi ula pelong ia ke jing Khmih benya Halor ke Projek Lyngba ka Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme lane Mplads ha ke constituency Jong-u. Daga berpensyai bersibun ki projek kila syusa klem Pyndep wat hadin apu ars nem jong ke jing bay tingka. Berkeren kila petai kubor usaleng ula penpau ia ke jing sngokya Halor ke jing penslem balua Kyntu ia ke tenat berdepet ban Pyndep no kam kloy ia ki kam badangsa. Haka jungilang Chief Secretary la betha ya barok kitnat baki day ban pentikna ban Pyndep ya barok ke projek Hashwa Nohprah hapok ka Mplads man UMP ula ban penyai ya ki kam ki jam haki constituency jongki haka jingmang ka balong san klur tingka haka shisnam ringkat u district collector uban Khmih ki kam ki jam haka po berpentrei kam ya ki projek.
Oh, it's comparatively actually Mplads scheme is a very small scheme. Okay, it is just to fill up the gap where some of the area it is some of the area which are not getting from any other scheme, like for example PWD or maybe PHA from the other soil department or maybe from the education department. So those fill up the gaps. So it's only factor for the whole district. Like for example in my constituency there are 5 districts which we have to look after the whole the whole area, and then moreover here also. Likewise, it's not that big, but still, whatever, it will definitely benefit the people at large.
Ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary School Shillong